Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Aiman bin Mazlan from Section 1 Semester 6 and my PTM number is 1907077743. So today I'm gonna be your tour guide for today for climbing Mount Kinabalu. But before we start, I need to explain a little bit about Mount Kinabalu. And you pay me because you want to learn about Mount Kinabalu. You come here because you know about a little bit about Mount Kinabalu. But today I'm gonna make your knowledge more and more and more. What I mean, I give you knowledge. Okay, so about the knowledge. Okay, about the knowledge. If you have a knowledge, okay, sometimes people will think that when you have a knowledge, you are a nerd or something. Exactly not. Okay, even your athlete. Okay, even your athlete or you are playing a kind of sport, all kind of sport, you still have to learn, and you still have to go to the school. Why? Because knowledge is the most important thing. Okay, so like you want to climb the Mount Kinabalu, they have a technique to climb, they have equipment to buy, so you need to know about that. So today I just want to take you 15 minutes of your time to explain about Mount Kinabalu, about background Mount Kinabalu, how to climb it, where you can go, where what route you have to use. Okay, the most what I mean is safer route. That's what I mean exactly. So today I'm gonna explain a little bit, okay, about Mount Kinabalu. So let's get started. Okay, Mount Kinabalu, exactly in Malay we call it Gunung Kinabalu, or local call it Gayung Ngaran. Okay, sometimes they call it Nulu Nabalu. Okay, they have two name for Mount Kinabalu when it come to local. So Mount Kinabalu is the highest mountain in Borneo. Okay, so people know it's not. Okay, don't misunderstanding. Okay, sometimes people will think that Mount Kinabalu is the most higher in the world. Exactly not. Exactly, it's not higher in the world, but higher in Borneo. So don't misunderstanding about that. Okay, so with an elevation of 13,435, okay, 13,435 feet, okay, from the sea level. So you can imagine how high Mount Kinabalu is. So Mount Kinabalu is third highest peak of an island on Earth. Okay, in Earth. Okay, in our world, we have a most highest mountain, but I don't want to talk about most highest mountain. Okay, that I don't want to talk about number one highest mountain or something like that. What I want to talk is about Mount Kinabalu, and it is third highest peak of an island in the world or in the earth. So that means Mount Kinabalu is the third. Okay, so they still have the most higher. The number one is the top one and top two, and Mount Kinabalu in top three. Okay, it's something like that. So where is Mount Kinabalu? Okay, where is this Mount Kinabalu and where we are right now? So if you want to know where we are right now in more detail, like you all know, maybe you will when someone asks you where is Mount Kinabalu, in Sabah. No, that's just a simple question. If you want to people that know you have a knowledge, you are smarter than them, you just say this. Okay, Mount Kinabalu is located in Ranau District, West Coast Division of Sabah, Malaysia. That's look more cool, right? That's look more intelligent. That's look more like you have more knowledge about Mount Kinabalu than the one that asking you, right? Mount Kinabalu is protected as Kinabalu Park, a World Heritage Site. Okay, because why? Because why people want to protect Mount Kinabalu? Okay, exactly, it not just a mountain. Okay, exactly the habitat that live in mountain and flora in the mountain, or flora fauna. Okay, all of that. Okay, People want to save them, okay? People want to protect them. Because why? Because they see the quality of Mount Kinabalu to be a recreational tourism. Because sometimes people, not every people know about this, okay? Not every people know about recreational tourism, okay? Not all people know about recreational tourism. 40%, okay? 40%, okay? I put 40% because 60% of the rest, okay, the rest of 40%, they don't know about recreational tourism, okay? So I'm really happy that you all want to climb with me today, okay? And I just want to say that, yeah, I'm really happy because, when I start learn about tourism, and I know about recreational tourism, it's attached me, okay? It make me attract to him. So it's like, oh my god, this recreational tourism is more coolest than another. That's what I think, okay? Maybe someone another person will think that recreational tourism is boring, but to me, because to me is the best one, because you can make your body healthy, okay? You can make your body healthy. That's why I love so much about recreational tourism. That's why I love so much, and I'm so happy because you have here. Okay, so because you guys here, because this is not the first time that we have so many tourists that want to climb, because because of this pandemic stuff, and right now we just reopen it. So yeah, I'm so happy about this. So the mountain and its surrounding are among the most important biological sites in the world, with between 5,000 and 6,000 species of plants, 326 species of bird, and more than 100 mammalian species identified. Okay, so exactly what I want to say here. I'm sorry if I'm talk about another thing, but it can make you what I can call it, like motivation for you guys for climbing with me today. So yeah. All right. Among this rich collection of wildlife are famous species such as gigantic rafflesia. Oh, so this is the This is it. Sometimes people will say, okay, if you want to go to the to see the most beautiful view, why we not go to the highest peak in the world? Okay, highest mountain in the world. Okay, you can go there, but they don't have the specialty that Mount Kinabalu have. Okay, the one that what I said is, okay, the one that what I mean about specialty, in another place they don't have a rafflesia plant, but in Mount Kinabalu, yes, they have. Because why? Because it's the specialty of the mountain. Okay, some place they have a specialty of their own. So okay, at Mount Kinabalu, they have orangutans too. So orangutans is not plant, okay? Orangutan is not plant. Orangutan is animal, okay? It's not human too, of course. So Mount Kinabalu has been accorded UNESCO World Heritage status. Wow, it's so cool, right? It's very cool. Okay, it's very cool. So in Mount Kinabalu, the low peak can be climbed by a person in good physical condition, and there is no need for mountaineering equipment at any point on the main route. So, all people can climb the Mount Kinabalu just using the main route. Okay, this is where I talk about main route. Okay, main route. Okay, about main route. Main route is the most safest place to go because you don't need any equipment to use when you want to go to low peak at Mount Kinabalu, because it's safe there. So it's more like if you want to jogging or something like that, yeah, you can just use a low peak. Exactly, it's not jogging. Maybe like climbing stair or something like that. You can tell it like that, because I think that's the most closest way to tell you how it feel. Okay, how it feel when you using a main route. Okay, it's not like main route you use for climb um, cliff. It's not like cliff or something like that. But climber must be accompanied by accredited guide at all time due to national park regulation and may experience altitude sickness. Okay, so what I mean about this, even you using a main route, you still need a guard. Okay, you still need a tour guide, okay, like me, okay, to escort you to go there, because we don't want any accident happen. So tour guide, okay, that's why they have a license, because why they learn, they have experience about this. So that's why it's important to have tour guide with you, so you don't have to go by yourself, because it's so dangerous. Okay, in any mountain, any cliff, if you want to go there, you need to be safety first. Okay, you guys need to remember this. Okay, safety first. Okay, so about safety, okay, we go to safety. I would just want to tell you, when you want to go up, okay, when you want to climb Mount Kinabalu, or you want to climb any mountain, any cliff, first thing, okay, like you can see, okay, all accessory you don't need. Okay, you don't need it. Okay, if you have like Apple Watch or watch that just for show, okay, not for sport, you can keep it in your bag. Okay, you need to browse the bag, because you don't want any accident when it's rain or something like that. Okay, so like this, alright, the rings, or if you have necklace, just put it on your back. Okay, even your earring. Okay, even if you have a earring, you need to put it on your back, because it's dangerous. Okay, we don't need any accessory, because accessories sometimes can be dangerous for us. Okay, it can make a danger. Okay, even that place don't have any danger, but because of such accessory, we can be in danger. All right, for example, sometimes people will climb with all twin, all trees, and all the van. So sometimes the accessory can make it stuck. So like earring, okay, earring, it have like what do you call that, they're like hanging, right? They're hanging in your ear. So when you just go through the vine, or have some pig twin that come out from the tree, they stuck. When they stuck there, it can make your ear bleed or something like that, or you can just you can fall. When you fall in the mountain, you not just fall there, you not just stop it right there. Okay, when you fall in the mountain or in cliff, the most dangerous thing when you rolling down. Okay, they not stopping. Okay, okay, but if you're falling the way that you don't want to stop the rolling, you have to find or some vein or a tree or something. You just have to grab it. Okay, if you don't want to go out and to fall more deeper. Okay, that's what I mean. Biology. Okay, about biology in Mount Kinabalu. Okay, Mount Kinabalu, along with other upland area, the Kruger Range is known worldwide for its botanical and biological species biodiversity, with plants of Himalayan, Australasian, and Indo-Malayan origin. Alright, so a recent botanical survey of the mountain estimate a staggering 5,000 to 6,000 plant species. Okay, exactly, I'm so sorry. Sometimes when I want to say about 15, I just say like 15. Exactly, it's 5,000, but to me it's like 5,000. Exactly, it's wrong. I'm sorry about that. In 2015, okay, this is the most important thing too. Okay, this is most important thing too. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, in 2015, a major Malaysian Dutch study showed that the unique flora, fauna, and fungi on the mountain summit are younger than the mountain itself and have evolved from both local and distant mountains ancestors. So people just discover that, okay, the mountain is old, okay, like the age is old, but the flora, the fauna, the everything that in mountain, like they still young, okay, like I said before. Rafflesia, okay, the Rafflesia flower, that's it's so beautiful, but if you know they age exactly, it's a long time. It's maybe take like 17 years or something like that, so it's amazing, right? But Mount Kinabalu is more old, yeah, it's more old, like that. So the flora covers the mountain in zone different type of habitat as one climbs up, beginning with a lowland belt of fig trees and carnivorous peaches plant. Then between 2,600 to 3,200 meter is a layer of short trees such as conifer, dacrydium, gibsaea. Wait, I don't remember that much, but I think I said it right. Alright. So and dwarf scrub. Okay. So for the Mount Kinabalu, they have a layer. Okay, like if you know about Khalid Khatulistiwa jungle, okay, or tropical jungle. If you know about tropical jungle have a layer. They have a three layer, okay. Like the low layer is more like a bunch of like the small plant like flower or something like that, but in mid they have vein, they have like the plant that circle the big plant, and the top one is the leaf and the big trees or something like that. So exactly the mountain Kinabalu is the same, because why, like I said, okay, they have a layer. Okay, so for the lowest layer is they have like more like the lower plants, okay, the lowest plants like the short plant or something like that. And the animal is like, it's more animal than up than a middle layer or top layer, okay, because it's a low layer, so they have a lot of animal than middle and top layer. Yes, so its incredible biodiversity in plant life is due to combination of several unique factors. It's setting in on one of the richest plant region of the world, the tropical biogeographical region known as Western Malaysia, which comprise the island of Sumatra. So that's what it means. Alright, Sumatra, something like that. Okay, I'm sorry because I cannot be so formal, because I don't want you guys to like boring about this maybe motivation or something like that. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, that's much as I can say. Okay, we just gonna go to start climbing. Okay, we just need to start climbing because we don't have a time. Okay, we don't have much time left, so we need to go. Okay, so remember about your backpack or something like that, you need to keep it safe. And okay, this put this in your bag, okay, if you don't want it to make trouble for you later. So yeah, I think that's it, and thank you so much for choosing me as your tour guide. Okay, thank you so much. So today we're gonna have a lot of fun, okay. And okay, on the way that we climb, I will tell you the continuous of the story about Mount Kinabalu, maybe about the legend or something like that. Okay, so yeah, let's go guys, let's go.